Let's go try out my new fishing kayak I got for my birthday. Feels nice seeing the sun come up. Was a bit windy out, but I made it work. I need to get some type of anchoring system and a trolling motor. Let me know what you guys think I should get. First fish of the day. Here comes number 2. Third one, another catfish. Fourth one was fighting hard. I thought it was a big one, but turned out to be another catfish. So I decided to call it a day. Let me know what other spots I should try next in the DFW area.